time I'm chilling and chatting shit with two boys, Conan and Kel. Isn't that right? Conan and Kel?
Krept.
Krept. You're Krept. You've Krept.
Krept.
And you're
Co and a nanny, like Conan.
Conan.
Like no.
Right. So he's your mandem.
Yes.
And you're his bandem.
Yes.
Mandem, yeah.
Why don't you say friend?
That's very easier to do, but you know,
What is a freak of the week?
just somebody that's very sexual.
Oh,
That's the
She's the freakiest of the week.
it's a bit rude.
It is a little.
Would you like a cake? Have another cake, I think. Yeah, have another cake. Are you drinking your tea? Go ham or HAM when you tap that. You last 10 seconds, man. You a Snapchat. What's this mean?
But do you know what Snapchat is?
Right.
He's basically saying he goes ham when he's making love to his lady. He goes
He
hard.
likes ham.
No, he goes hard when he makes love to his lady.
Really,
but
very
really,
strict.
he lasts only 10 seconds.
Oh.
But he only lasts
He
10
dies,
seconds.
you mean?
No.
Oh, he doesn't
Like
die.
he ejaculates in 10 seconds.
Oh, goodness me. My husband must have had that, mustn't he?
Oh.
I suppose he had.
Bruh.
Yeah, I suppose he had. Bad ting on her knees.
Your girlfriend on her knees, basically.
You've got a girlfriend on her knees?
kind
What's
of.
she doing on her knees?
Yeah, being my friend, like
Being your friend?
helping me and stuff.
I don't know. Next question. What is a waste man?
A man that's useless. He's just a waste man.
Well, I think my first husband, Eric, was a proper waste man. He was a bit of a dickhead. Can you explain to the boys and girls out there what exactly P is?
P.
Money.
I just got my pension through, so I'm rolling in P now, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, right. I like old songs. Do you know any old songs? She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. You're joining then. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain, coming round the mountain, coming round the mountain when she comes.